Coco, do you know what today is?
Boxycharm.
Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, it is Boxycharm day. I'm excited. I'm sorry we've been gone for a while. We just filmed a haul video. The haul video is gonna come up after this video, but it'll explain why we've been MIA. First things first in this, because I have some stuff that I want to give Coco. I told her that she was going to get, we have these Eloise brushes. They are $22. It's an eyeshadow brush set.
I got that.
She loves this. Yeah, she loves this. I knew you would love this. Because she's been telling me she needed some new brushes. So, there's some new brushes. I should have saved them for her birthday, because her birthday's coming up.
Yeah.
Look how pretty. These are gorgeous.
And it says I have rainbow here.
Sprinkles?
Yeah.
Rainbow?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty. I want them for myself. Anyway, the next thing we got is this liquid eyeshadow.
So, Mama, they can glow.
They glow?
Yeah.
Oh, they glow. They don't glow. Anyway, this is a liquid eyeshadow duo, $18 from the Beauty Crop. Dual-ended long wear liquid eyeshadow. One side is creamy, velvet pigment matte formula, blah, 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 blah. Okay, why would they put this on there? That's so stupid, dude. Oh, okay, I see. There's a perforated plastic cover thing. I just can't see it. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm still struggling with this, so. There we go. It's still not working. Why is this on here? That was stupid why would they do that? That was dumb. I don't really use cream eyeshadows. I have some, I don't use them. That's pretty, it's like a pretty copper. And then you have, I feel like I'm being stupid here. You have a brown, oh crap. Y'all, I'm struggling, dude. Yeah, then you have like a brown. Am I gonna use this? Probably not. So I say let's save this and maybe give that for her birthday. Okay, next thing, what do we have? We have this, I was like, what is this? It kind of reminded me of the little Kaja bentos. This is Stack the Odds Multi-Face Stacker, 3 cream shades to play with, highlighter, blush, and contour. This one is $38. That's expensive. It's from a brand called Alley-Oop. I don't know. It's a cute concept, but I don't use things like this. So you have a highlighter. This, like the bentos, they each one open. This, they slide. It reminds me of the thing that Tarte came out with when they had like they were like little squarish, rectangle-ish blushes. Y'all remember that? And it came in a set of 3. So there was like 3, but then there was like 3 also, so like 9, you know what I'm saying? That makes sense. Anyway, this is what you got. Am I gonna use this? Probably not, so I'm just gonna hold this. I'm not mad at this, but I am going to try to do a massive declutter since we just moved in, and just massive declutter, and I know that will end up being one of the things I'll declutter. So we'll save it for Poshmark or a giveaway. I'm excited about this one though. This is the Saturday Skin Yuzu. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Y-U-Z-U Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. I'm excited about this one. This cost $32 retail. I've gotten stuff from them before, well, from this brand, from Boxy before, and I liked it. So I am happy for this. It's a little tiny jar with one of those jars in full. Doesn't have a smell. Let's see. Texture feels thick. It feels thick but hydrating. Okay, we're gonna try this out. I have a ton of skincare stuff. Recently, I've purchased like nothing but skincare. So I am excited to get my skincare desk in order. And then the last thing we got, another skincare item, but I'm not mad at, you know, I don't really like skincare items, like a ton of them, but I do love me some Miss Kate, so I'm not mad at this one. This is gonna retail for $76. Y'all know Miss Kate is expensive. Even if you go to Target, or not Target, TJ Maxx or Marshalls, her stuff isn't like on the cheap end for the TJ Maxx, you know, money scale. That makes sense. They're even a money scale. You know what I mean? Like TJ Maxx has stuff that's like, let me see, because I just bought a ton of stuff. So like they have a lot of the Bad Habit brand now is showing up for like $3 to $6 or $7. That's normal TJ Maxx price to me. Her stuff will still be like $20 to $30 in TJ Maxx. I'm rambling about TJ Maxx, whatever. Anyway, this is goat milk moisturizing cream, conditions and restores. So it's just a moisturizer. Growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat milk in our bath. Okay, I don't really care about that. Oh God. The man just walked in and scared the crap out of me, dude. Okay, so this is meant to soothe and moisturize. How to use AM, PM. Apply an even layer on clean skin. Clinically tested, blah, blah, blah. Let's open her up. I feel like you get a good bit of product in this one. Whoa. Okay, yeah, it is very milky. It has a smell. You want to smell it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
You want to try some? Here, let me see your hand. Okay, rub it in. Yeah, be careful when you open that one, y'all. Ah, it feels very hydrating. It does feel hydrating.
Yeah, I like it, but I don't want to use it.
You don't want to use it?
No.
Okay. Oh, let's see. Okay, so the liquid eyeshadow dried. Well, don't rub your eyes with it, which, I mean, who rubs their eyes when they have makeup on? But it's dried pretty well. Anyway, y'all, so much has happened. Oh my gosh. So click the subscribe button so you can watch the next video. Click the subscribe button with the bell so that you can watch the haul video where I kind of explain everything, most major key points of what has been going on and why we've been MIA, and obviously the different setup and just, you know, what's been happening with life. Oh, y'all, I have this ugly thing in the background. I don't want y'all to be looking at that. I tried to make the setup look nice by at least giving you a candle in the background because we got nothing right now, okay? We got nothing. If you're at Target, buy this. It smells so good. It is the jasmine and ylang ylang. I don't know. Anyway, that's why I put it back there because I didn't have any space. Let's end it because I will ramble, y'all, and I've already been rambling all day. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.
Mama, I saw it on TikTok. You could put this on here.
You saw that on TikTok?
Yeah, I can do that.
She can do that.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
After this.
Oh, Coco. Cautious, Coco. You almost poked my eye out. Did you show everyone your new blush you got?
Yeah.
Where is it? It's a new Rare Beauty. That's in the shade Happy. You make me happy.
Mama, are you cute, baby? I put makeup on Daddy.
Oh, she said last morning when I was a cute baby, I put makeup on Daddy. Last morning is always any morning before this morning. Like last night, but it's any night before last night. So last morning is any morning in the past. We should put a little bit on.
Yeah.
And she was a cute baby.
Put it everywhere on you.
Yeah. Oh, it's on blush. Because this is blush. This isn't foundation. I am just now realizing you're using my sponge. This we got in like a Boxycharm or something too, right?
Mama, I want my brush it off.
Huh?
I want my brush it on.
You want to wash them?
Yeah. And yours. I can take yours and mine.
You're going to take yours and mine?
Yeah. Then when I want them.